Navigating Economic Storms, the US Financial Crisis and Sunak's Copycat Approach. It's a tale as old as time, the allure of American economic prowess and the desire to replicate its success. Chancellor Sunak's apparent admiration for the US economic model might seem understandable, especially considering its seemingly swift recovery from the pandemic and resilience in the face of global geopolitical tensions. The conservative narrative often sings praises of the US, emphasizing its emphasis on tech, innovation, and an entrepreneurial spirit that supposedly fuels rapid growth. But here's the catch: while the US economy may appear to be soaring on fantastical stock market valuations and off-balance sheet accounting, reminiscent of the pre-2008 financial crisis era, there are storm clouds gathering on the horizon. While Europe grapples openly with the challenges of deindustrialization, aging populations, and social welfare systems, the US tends to sweep many of its issues under the rug. Take, for instance, the looming insurance crisis highlighted by analysts at Bloomberg. It's an off-balance sheet debacle, comparable in scale to student loans and public service pensions, but with even greater potential for havoc. Millions of homeowners, facing the brunt of climate change-induced disasters like hurricanes, wildfires, and floods, are turning to state-run insurers as a last resort. The market share of these insurers has more than doubled since 2018, with their liabilities surpassing the $1 trillion mark in 2022. Critics fear that a moderate uptick in claims could wreak havoc on the scheme's finances, potentially leading to a catastrophic collapse. While some argue that the US government would likely foot the bill in such a scenario, keeping the problem contained within its borders, a looming banking crisis presents a more ominous threat. The IMF recently warned of the vulnerability of US banks to the impact of rising interest rates on commercial property values. Could office blocks be the next domino to fall in the banking crisis? As the world watches with bated breath, it's clear that blindly copying the US economic playbook may not lead to the desired outcome. Perhaps it's time for a more cautious approach, one that considers the lessons of history and the hidden pitfalls lurking beneath the surface of economic prosperity. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest uploads. Let's dive in.